Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Other women to also run, and the message is like no to drugs, and addiction is a huge problem for in Goa and rest of the world as well. So that's the main message that I want to send: say no to drugs.
And before this, how many marathon you have participated?
I'm not in a marathon. I've only done half marathons and 10 kilometers.
And how you prepared yourself for such a run?
I run
today?
regularly. I have a coach, Abhinandan Bisa. So we train on a regular basis. So this was just a part of the regular training.
Ma'am, any message from your side, the girls who willing to participate in marathon for the first time?
I think women, especially young girls, should take running as a sport, and just sport in general. It keeps you fit, it keeps you healthy, and that's the main reason actually. If I can run at my age, I think anyone can run. So don't be afraid to start. Just take small steps, train with a group, and I hope a lot of other women and girls take up running because it brings a lot of joy.
Ma'am, this run is for the awareness. What do you think that the youngsters are getting addicted to the drugs, like things?
I think, and maybe in schools and in colleges, there should be a lot of awareness and talks. Children these days are like, if I have the same problem with my kids, they are with screens. So it's difficult to get them out of the house, especially when they're teenagers. But I think if there's awareness and more education at like a younger age, maybe in schools and colleges should be a program in which children are made to be aware of addictions and the problems that they cause, and get them involved in sports. And
you need to fit in that group circle to, if you use that bad language, and if you are a simple person like me, in order to fit in that, you need to be like them. So we often tend to, fall in that. So I feel youth have a strong will and say no to drugs.
When the run started morning time, what was the thought in your mind? And it was also raining, so what was that?
Normally, we don't, when you warm up, you don't expect your body to cool down. And when you have speeches and all, you tend to, but no matter, they all motivate you. If you take it in a positive manner, I think you'll do it.
This is a run.
How it feels to win? How it feels to win?
It's a very good experience. I mean, saying no to
Just remember, you don't need
get
any
all
substance
the
abuse. You
heavy
need to
thoughts
get
in
on
your
the
mind,
ground.
to give up.
This is
It's very
the
hard, you can't take it. And you should just walk in, But you should in order to say no to that, it's a big thing. And if you say no to that, no, I will do it. I will not stop in the middle. I will maybe slow down at a pace that I'm comfortable and then cope up. I think determination.
Story by Sabun Gaude for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.